Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do so, we can clone the WhatsApp application and have both of them next to each other, for instance in the app drawer. So in order to do so, we can go to the settings and then scroll down and go to advanced features, scroll down and go to dual messenger, and over here you should be able to find WhatsApp if you have it installed on a device, and then tap on this slider on the right side and confirm that you want to install the copy. And when the copy is installed, you will find it, like I said, in the app drawer over here, and you can use both of them and have different contacts, use different accounts. However, if for some reason it doesn't work for you, you can also use the secure folder. In order to set up the secure folder, you want to go to the settings and then go to security and privacy. Over here, scroll down to more security settings and then go secure folder. Now, when you enter this for the first time, you will need to set up the secure folder, and once you do, you will find it in the app drawer as well over here. And then you can press this plus icon over here in order to add WhatsApp. There we go, press add, and now we have WhatsApp in the secure folder. And what it does is it pretty much creates a separate instance, so it works similar to what the dual messenger feature does. And if you go to WhatsApp in this like this app over here in the app drawer, then of course you will use your main account. And if you go to secure folder and open WhatsApp from the secure folder, then you will have to use a different account, or you will be able to use a different account. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.